In this video, I will show you how to mask a video in DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure you have both of your clips placed in the timeline. I want to mask this window, so I will move my window clip to layer 2 and place the other clip underneath it. Now, select the top clip and go to the color panel. Here, switch to the mask window and select the pen tool. Draw a mask around the object you want to mask. In my case, it is the window. When you are done, go to the node panel, right-click and click Add Alpha Output. This will allow you to see the clip beneath the masked clip. Now connect the blue alpha output to the alpha input. If your object disappears after connecting, click the invert icon in the mask panel to flip the mask selection. Now you can see through the window and view the clip underneath, which in my case is a field video. You can adjust the mask softness and the inside and outside expand values to make the mask look better. Now we need to track the mask so it stays in place. Look at the bottom right in the keyframes panel. Click the keyframe icon next to correction. Then press the right arrow key on your keyboard to move to the next frame. Adjust the mask so it stays on the object. Keep moving frame by frame and adjust the mask until you are done. When everything looks good, switch back to the Edit panel and hit play to see the results. That is how you mask a video in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching.